Good evening, fellow travelers, and welcome to Exit Through the Gift Shop. Today we are at the Grilled Cheese Grill in Portland, Oregon.
As the name suggests, this restaurant specializes in all things grilled cheese, and in true Portland fashion, it gives you the opportunity to dine in a retrofitted school bus. Tonight we're going to try the Cheesus. This is a grilled cheese take on the typical hamburger, and it replaces the bun with 2 layers of grilled cheese, one on each side. So there it is in all its glory. It's got a meat patty in the middle and a grilled cheese on either side, plus tomatoes and lettuce. It's a grilled cheeseburger. The first half was fairly delicious. In fact, when I dug in, I found out that there were some grilled onions on there as well, and together with the tomatoes, it gave quite a good flavor. Plus, it was nice and cheesy. The only complaint I might have is it seems like the burger itself is probably a pre-formed or pre-made patty. I would have loved to see this be a homemade patty with some extra seasoning. Really would have complemented the grilled cheeses. So that was a pretty cheesy bun. I love that we're in Oregon and we get to taste that Tillamook cheese. We might be visiting the Tillamook Cheese Factory later this week. The menu claims that after eating the cheeses, you won't need to eat for 2 days. I'm not sure that's going to hold true, but it was pretty filling. The grill is also right next to CARAVAN, the tiny house hotel, which gives visitors the opportunity to sleep in one of 6 tiny houses. Alright, that's it for this stop. Hope you didn't find this video too cheesy. Please remember to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of our adventures, and check out our interactive map to see all of the cool restaurants that we've been to. Until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.